So all the wisdom of the world will vanish as though it is not. There isn't a morning's paper that does not in some way puncture the theories of the previous day. Now we are finding more and more galaxies. We thought we found them all. Now just found 2 more, all within our little sphere, as it were. And now tonight, you're going to tell us something else concerning how to live long. May I tell you, you aren't going to postpone your exit from this world by 1 hour. You came in on cue, and you're going to depart on cue. And now you can drink all the citrus fruit in the world. You can have all the vitamin C's in the world, and you aren't going to prolong your little physical garment. You made your entrance on cue, like an actor, and you're going to depart on cue. But while you're playing the part, you can play it. I have seen dozens of Hamlets, and no 2 played the same part identically. So they had their own interpretation of the part. So you will play your part in your own way, but you're going to leave on time. There is a time to be born, a time to die, a time to laugh, and a time to cry. And all these will come to pass. So you aren't going to postpone it 1 moment. I saw a little statement in the paper this past week. This little lady in England, 110 years old. Well, she said they talk about cigarettes. I have been smoking them now for 90 odd years. And not a thing is wrong with me. And of course, all the industry sent her carton after carton after carton of cigarettes. So she has so many cigarettes now, she'll have to live another 10 to really consume them. But it hasn't affected her. Someone else, you will think it affects you. Churchill died, they said, well, he died. He was 90 years old. He only smoked cigars all through the day and night. So they call it by some other name, because he was 90. You can't call it cigarettes or cigars. My father never smoked in his life. He drank like a fish. A 2-bottle man a day. And I don't mean water. 85 years old. My mother never drank in her life. She departed at 61. And here is my father, this really a 2-fisted drinker. Strong, strapping fellow up to the very last 6 months of his life. Then he collapsed. My niece told me the other day, she came on to spend a week with us. So you know what Granddaddy died of? I said, he died because his body collapsed. He went on time. She said, no, he had TB. Daddy died of TB at 85. Of all the nonsense in the world. You'll find anything there. I don't care what the world will tell me. And so they called that the cause of death. Before he came in on time, and he departed on time.